Hello, all the beauties out there. My name is Gunjan Chopra, and very warm welcome to my channel. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you a beautiful double cut crease eye makeup look with some sparkling glitters on it. So let us just not waste any more further time and let us begin the tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to be creating an eye base. Here I have used NYX eyeshadow base in white color. And then I'm going to be sticking a tape starting from lower lash line up to the tail of the eyebrow. And now I'm using Makeup Revolution chocolate palette and using a brown color eyeshadow to create a transition line above my natural crease of the eye. And now I'm going to be blending it with a small blending brush. It is going to be a little fluffier brush. And now I'm using Makeup Revolution Animal Palette and blending a yellow color on top of it. I've taken a yellow color and I'm now blending this yellow color on top of the brown color that I have used for the transition line. And now I'm using again that NYX eyeshadow base and creating my first cut. And I'm doing it just beneath the brown color that I've used for my transition line. And now I'm using a loose powder to set the base. Here I'm darkening my crease line with the brown eyeshadow that I actually created earlier, the transition line. I'm darkening it, and here I have used an eyeshadow brush from PAC Cosmetics number 205. And now I'm blending the eyeshadow to remove any harsh line with a fluffy medium blending brush. And now I'm creating a double cut using a thin eyeshadow brush with the brown color, the same brown color that I used for my transition line. Now here I am smudging in the brown color to create an outer corner of the eye using the same eyeshadow brush, and then I'll be using a medium blending brush to blend the color more. Now from the Makeup Revolution Integrity Animal Palette, I'm using the yellow color and applying it onto the remaining part of my eyelid. Now here I'm using a white shimmer eyeshadow and applying it onto the yellow eyeshadow to give it a more shiny and shimmery look to it. To add some more drama onto the eye look, I'm applying a diamond glitter from the Musk India. And now I'm going to be using that same brown and yellow color onto my lower lash line to create a good smoky effect. Here I'll be using the same brushes that I used earlier, the precision brush from pack 205, and now I'm using a pencil brush from again Pack Cosmetics number 388. Now I'm going to be applying a kajal onto my waterline, lower lash waterline, and then blending it completely and properly with the same 205 Pack Cosmetic brush to create a beautiful smoky effect. Now here I'm using a white highlighter onto the inner corner of the eye and under the brow bone to create a wider and lifted look. I really do hope that you all have liked the eye makeup and would definitely try and doing it by yourself. And I would love to hear from you all guys, your comments, your views about the video and the makeup. And I really hope that you would like the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you all guys so very soon.